You fucking asshole! Get the fuck away from me, you cunt! Get the fuck away!
There's a fucking circle in there!
Get the fuck away from me! Get away!
There's a
Get
fucking circle
away!
in there!
You fucking ignorant driver!
Cunt!
Go away!
Fuck off, cunt!
Throw me your
There's a
car!
circle in there,
Fuck
cunt.
off! I am legally allowed here!
There's a fucking circle in there!
Legally allowed! I am
Look at you in
legally
your
allowed
fucking
here!
pants! Look at you in your
Go
pants!
away!
Look at you in
Go
your
away! Go away!
Do it! Cunt.
Legally allowed!
Fucking wanker.
Legally allowed!
You're fucking sick in there!
Calm.
Dickhead! There's a fucking circle, lady! It's this far out!
Hey.
And you fucking
Turn
idiot!
around, Mr. Rowe.
Hey, calm.
Fucking idiot! Fucking idiot!
Yeah, sorry.
Everyone knows you're a fucking idiot!
You're not an idiot.
You look at you in the yellow shit!
Calm.
I am
calm.
allowed on the road, you asshole!
Man.
Allowed on the road! I'm allowed on the road! Get a fucking license!
He's on the fucking... There's a fucking circle over here!
Move your car, you ignorant scum! Move your car! Move your car!
There's a fucking circle over here!
Learn how to drive, you clearly cannot drive!
Fuck yourself! Fuck off, you wanker!
That's it, it's gone to the police! Well done, mate! I hope you get fucking fined for that, you asshole!
Get a fucking license!
Get off the road! Oh, what? No, no, no! You touched it!
Fuck off!
No!
You hit
No.
my car! You fucking hit my
You
car!
fuck off!
Drop you, cunt!
Come on then, drop me! Drop me, come on! Drop me, come on!
Put your fucking
Drop me!
bike down,
Come
and
on,
I'll
drop
belt
me!
the skull.
Drop me, come on!
Put your bike down, you cunt!
No! Why would I put my...
Fucking idiot!
Why am I going to put my bike down? Look, you moron!
You fucking skirt!
Guys,
Fucking eat you for breakfast!
Well, why do you use breakfast now? Look!
I understand.
Why are you...
Guys,
You simple cunt!
I understand you're
Simple!
angry because
Don't
he put
you
you at risk.
fucking... No, you touched my car, you cunt!
Okay,
You
okay.
thumped my car! I'm going to call the police! I'll call the fucking police! Did you thump my car, cunt? Did you fucking thump my
You
car?
tried to run me off the
I'll
road!
fucking kill you, cunt!
Listen
Wow,
to
do
this,
you understand?
Say that again,
Put
please.
your fucking
Say
bike
that,
down!
say again.
What's the
Say
fuck is
again.
bike about?
Calm down.
Say it
I'll
again!
just smash your
Because-
fucking teeth down your
Why
throat.
haven't you done it already? Why haven't you done it already?
Because there's a witness, otherwise I'll break your fucking neck. Arsehole. Fucking
Okay, calm
arsehole.
down. Calm down. Calm down. Okay.
Mate, I'm not taking this shit anymore. Ignorant scum. Thanks for stopping there. Oh,
Okay. Have a good day, sir.
well done.
You alright?
I'm good, mate. Look, I've been here
Sorry.
Sorry. Oh, I just was not having that today. Oh.
Yeah, it's not really acceptable, is it? I that's really irritating when people actually try doing something that's selfish when they're driving around in that thing.